It is 66 million years ago, and something is hunting you. You cannot see it, but you can feel it through the soles of your feet, through your bones, through the base of your skull. A pressure wave that says one thing clearly: run. But it is already too late. It was always too late. Because the creature approaching you through this ancient forest is not the largest animal that has ever walked the earth, it is something more terrifying than that. It is the most perfectly designed killing machine evolution has ever produced. Welcome to the age of the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex, king of the tyrant lizards. It walked what is now North America during the final 3 million years of the Cretaceous period, a blink of geological time, and yet long enough to cement its place as the apex predator of its world. An adult male stood nearly 4 meters tall at the hip and stretched over 12 meters from snout to tail. It weighed as much as 8 tons. But weight alone tells us nothing about this animal. What made the T-Rex extraordinary was its engineering. Begin with the skull, nearly 1.5 meters long, one of the most powerful biological structures ever evolved. It did not chew its prey. It crushed it. A single bite from a T-Rex delivered a force of over 57,000 newtons, enough to shatter bone, which is precisely what it did. Fossilized prey bones have been found bearing T-Rex teeth marks driven clean through them. Its 50 serrated teeth were not fixed permanently. When one broke, and they often did, another grew in its place. A conveyor belt of destruction. The eyes faced forward, giving the T-Rex binocular vision far superior to most predators of its era. It did not merely detect movement. It tracked. It calculated. It locked on. And those famously small arms? Scientists now believe they were not vestigial at all, but powerfully muscle anchors, capable of holding struggling prey at close range. The T-Rex held on while its jaws did the work. For decades, scientists debated whether the T-Rex was a predator or a scavenger, whether it hunted live prey or merely cleaned up the kills of others. Today the evidence is overwhelming. It did both, as the most successful animals often do. Heel bite marks on living Triceratops bones tell us the T-Rex attacked and failed, which means it also attacked and succeeded. It was a hunter. An active, strategic, terrifyingly patient hunter. It may have reached speeds of up to 20 kilometers per hour, not fast by modern standards, but its prey was rarely faster. And speed matters less when you cannot be seen coming. New research suggests the T-Rex may have had lips that kept its teeth hidden at rest, making it even more discreet, even more deceptive, a monster that could look almost calm before it killed. 66 million years ago, a mass extinction event ended the reign of the non-avian dinosaurs. An asteroid, some 10 kilometers wide, struck the Yucatan Peninsula. The impact triggered wildfires, a nuclear winter, and the collapse of entire ecosystems. The T-Rex, like almost all large animals of its age, did not survive. And yet it endures. Not in flesh, but in stone. Fossilized skeletons continue to emerge from the Badlands of Montana, South Dakota, and Wyoming, each one adding another chapter to a biography 66 million years in the making. We study it because it fascinates us. We are drawn to it because somewhere deep in our evolutionary memory, we understand what it means to be small in a world that contains something like this. The T-Rex is gone. But the fear it inspired, the primal, bone-deep fear, that, somehow, never left.